Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring dependencies are ready. Include Bootstrap 5 CSS and JS either from CDN or NPM so components behave predictably. Once done, scaffold a semantic HTML shell with a container, a 3-column grid idea, and a sidebar area. This gives you structure to style. Make sure to add a custom style sheet and a JS file for interactivity because you will separate layout from logic. This first step sets the foundation. Without it, responsive breakpoints and components will be fragile. You now construct the dashboard body. Implement a Bootstrap navbar and a collapsible off-canvas or sticky sidebar so navigation adapts to screen size. Then place card components for KPIs, an HTML canvas for charts, and responsive tables for tabular data. Apply spacing utilities to keep rhythm visually consistent. Once you add interactive elements like drop-downs and modals, initialize their behavior in your JS and hook chart libraries to your datasets, because connecting UI to data is where the dashboard becomes useful. You finish by polishing responsiveness and accessibility. Test the layout across breakpoints, tweak column sizes and flex utilities, and add area labels so keyboard users can navigate. Once visuals and interactions are stable, minify CSS/JS and bundle assets for production. This reduces load time. If something goes wrong, check the browser console and network tab first. Most layout issues come from missing CSS or JS files. Then verify CDN links and correct file paths, because that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.